white, say bar, I say bite, say shark, I say him indoors was never my scene, and I don't like Star Wars. Say Rose, I say Royce, say God, give me a choice. Say Lord, I say Christ, I don't believe in Peter Pan, Frankenstein or Superman. All I wanna do is bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. Races are coming your way, so forget all your duties. Oh yeah. For the girls they'll be riding today, so look out for those beauties. Oh yeah. Hey. Get set, go. Kane. You say John, I say Wayne. Hot dog, I say Cooler Man. I don't want to be the president of America. I say Styles, I say cheese. I say please. I say Jesus, I don't want to be a candidate for being number one again. Cause all I want to do is bicycle, yeah. Bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle. Come on, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. To ride my bike, I want to ride my bicycle. I want to. Is this the real life? Is this just fantasy? Caught in a landslide, no escape from reality. Open your eyes, look up to the skies and see. I'm just a fool boy. I need no sympathy, because I'm easy come, easy go. Little high, little low. Any way the wind blows doesn't really matter to me. Just killed a man, put a gun against his head, pulled my trigger, now he's dead. Mama, life had just begun, but now I've gone and thrown it all away. Mama, didn't mean to make you cry. If I'm not back again,
Dad, can I have an ice cream?
What?
I see a little silhouette of a man. Scaramouche, will you do the fandango? Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening me. Galileo, Figaro. Magnifico! I'm just a poor boy, nobody loves me. He's just a poor boy from a poor family, sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Going 3 and 5.
Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let him go. Bismillah, we will not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. We'll not let you go. Let me go. Oh, mamma mia, mamma mia. Mamma mia, let me go. Beelzebub has a devil put aside for me. For me. For me. Nothing really matters.